Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on my Sephora haul. The Sephora saving event, it's still going on. It started on April 5th, which was the Friday, and I took advantage of the sale. I went to Sephora on Friday and then I went on Saturday as well to get more stuff. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. And just to let you know that the Rouge members get 20% off, the VIB get 15% off, and then Beauty Insiders get 10% off. Sephora collection is 30% off for all tiers, so it's really an amazing time to get your stuff. So let's start with the cleansers that I got from Inculus. I got the Oat Cleansing Balm, and I also got their Brightening Cleanser. So this is a balmy texture, and this is like a face wash. They both remove makeup, but this one has a brightening effect, so it does brighten your skin as well. This one is mainly to remove your makeup. I love cleansing balms, so I decided to get this one and try it. It's cheaper, and yeah, I'll try it and see if I like it. The next thing I got from Salt and Stone, I got this body wash here. You get a good amount. You get, I think, 450 ml. Yes, that's a good size for a body wash. And the smell, it's amazing. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty, as you know, just to sit in your shower. It smells delicious. It's a little strong, but it's nice. And I also got their deodorant. This is the Black Rose and Oud. I do have this scent in the deodorant, and I really like it, so I decided to grab another one for the summertime. I got two stuff from Josie Maran. I got the Sugar and Argan Oil Body Scrub. This one and the scent Topless Tangerine. I almost wanted to get the same scent, and this smells amazing. I was gonna get the same scent in the body butter, but I think I grabbed the wrong one. Instead, I got the Bohemian Fig. I'm gonna keep it. It smells good, but I really love the scent of the Topless Tangerine. So this is the body scrub. It's so pretty. Like, the jar is amazing. It looks so nice. And the actual body butter as well, it's the same jar. If I like this, I'm gonna keep the jar, and I'm gonna get the refills. They sell them separately at Sephora as well. This smells really good as well. Like, it smells nice and clean and fresh. I swatched it in store, and my hand was glowing. Like, the amount of moisture in this cream, you guys, it's amazing. I really love it. I have dry skin, so anything that is moisturizing, I love it. Moving on, I got two products for my face. I did get the Capture Total from Dior. This is the Firming and Wrinkle Correcting Cream. I love this line from Dior. I do have two products, and I love it. I have the 1 Minute Mask, and I also have their Perfecting Cream, I think it's called. I'd use that before makeup, like as a primer, but it gives me a little bit of moisturizing. Makes my skin look kind of even before makeup. It's really nice, so I'm really excited to use this one. I'm still using my Chanel, the one that comes in the black jar. I think it's called the Lift. So this is the Dior cream, and I also got another one, so I'm going to use one in the morning and one at night. This is the Bioessence. This is the Overnight Rescue. It has good reviews on Sephora, so I decided to grab it. It's cheaper than this one for sure. This one was really pricey. This one was like $90 something, so I'm really excited to use this one as well. So I'm gonna keep this one for my nighttime instead of the Chanel one when it's done. And then this one for my morning. To be honest, morning time at the moment, what I've been using my Merit serum and SPF on top. I have the Josie Maran SPF that I use daily, and I have the K-Skin as well that I'm really enjoying. So those two kind of go back and forth in the morning. I don't really use like a correcting firming cream in the morning. Like, I don't use anything anti-aging in the morning. Maybe I should start doing that. But yeah, that's all I use in the morning. Let's move on to some hair products. I got a new shampoo. I currently use the Moroccan Oil the hydrating shampoo. I really like it. I like the conditioner, but I just wanted something different. So this is the Necessaire, the shampoo. This has hyaluronic acid in it. The bottle is so pretty. I wanted to get the conditioner as well. They were sold out in store, but it's online, available online, but I'm just too lazy to do it. This is my first time actually getting stuff from the store and not actually online. This is what the bottle looks like. This is a multivitamin replenishing cleanse. It's healthy for your scalp and hair as well. So this has no scent in it. I didn't know that. To be honest, when I first got it, I didn't know that it was unscented, but that's okay. I will, I have my conditioner, which has some scent in it, and some other products that I use. May get the conditioner online. We'll see about that. So I got this Living Proof Full Dry Volume and Texture Spray. I've never used anything like that before. I don't know, because I always have thick hair. I've been loving a messy hair, so I'm really excited to use this one. I'm not sure. My God. Oh, we'll see. We'll try it together. I do have thick hair, and probably I don't need this, but we'll see. So, okay. Smells good. Okay, it smells delicious. It is it is bigger. My lipstick is gone. It's almost like it's nighttime now. It's almost 9 o'clock at night. So my lipstick is gone. My makeup is so glowy at the moment. So anyways, we'll keep going. One more thing I got, a new heat protectant. I've never used this one before. This is the Moroccan oil. It does protect your hair from heat, and it's a color care as well. I love the smell of the Moroccan oil, so I'm really happy that I picked this up. It smells delicious. Also got this one here from Color Wow. This is the Money Mist leave-in conditioner for glossy, expensive looking hair. When I saw this expensive hair, I was like, I need to try this one here. And I really love Color Wow products. I have a few of them at home and I use them all the time. So I was really excited about this one here. I think that's it for hair products. So let's jump into makeup. So I did not get a lot of makeup, you guys. I got 2 setting sprays. I got the One Size On Until Dawn. This one was sold out for the longest time in Canada. I was sad that I didn't see this one all summer. I do use it on my brides all the time, so I was really happy that I actually saw this in store. And I also got Sephora Collection makeup setting spray. I really love this one as well. On myself, I use it on clients. Makeup would stay on all day, and it doesn't feel uncomfortable. I've tried both of these and I really like them. This is 30% off and it's already $19, so you get 30% off, so it's actually a good steal. Also got this bronze and glow drops from First Aid Beauty. It doesn't have any scent, I don't think so. So this is like, it's very tiny, it's like 30 ml. So this is the color. It gives you a bit of glow and a tint as well. I'm really excited to use this one in the summertime. It's really nice. It feels nice on the skin. It has niacinamide and it's good for sensitive skin. So this are the new blushes from Rare Beauty. I threw the box out. I'm not sure what they're called. They're just called Powder Blush. These are the luminous one, and this is gorgeous. This is in the shade Happy. It's a cool pink color. It's so pretty. I wish I had a brush here, but I do not. I have all my stuff downstairs. But this one has a beautiful finish. It is so soft, and it's like a blush and highlight in one, but it's not too pigmented. Like, it's not crazy pigmented. You know, you can go with a fluffier brush just to give you that hint of pink. I'm not sure if you can see that. And I tried it like when I got it home, and I loved it. I already have the Huda Beauty Cheeky blush on, so I'm already glowy, and it's the end of the day. I am glowier. But this is the color, if you can see it here. It's so pretty. I also got from Sephora Collection, I got 2 liquid lipsticks, which I always get from my kit. I got 2 shades. I got number this is 90 and this is 120. So the 120 is more of the warmer nude color, and then this is more of a pinkish color. They're both so pretty. And I also got the Sephora Collection lip gel liner, and this is in the shade Sink or Suede, number 28. I already opened it and I tried it on. I'm gonna try it on with you guys. It's more of a cooler, kind of brownish color. They have good longevity, they stay on, and they glide on so beautifully on the lips. So this is the color. It's so, so nice. I'm gonna use a lip gloss. I also got this Tower 28. This is the Shine On Milky Lip Jelly in the shade Pistachio. I own Sesame, I believe, and I really like it. It's like my lip color, a little bit darker, but better. This one is so beautiful as well. This is more of a pinkish color. I'm gonna try it on. I swatched it in store and it was so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, the combination lip liner and this color, it's so, so pretty. I got Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat. These are expensive. Like, these are $34. I think these are as good as these ones here, but there's something about this formula here. It's a little bit more matte and they do stay on longer than the Sephora collection. These one more of a gel texture, but they do stay on for a long time as well. These stay on longer. I have Pillow Talk, Iconic Nude, and this one I swatched it in store and I was like, I need this in my life. This is more of a pinkish brown color. It is so beautiful and the longevity of these ones is insane. I do love Charlotte Tilbury lip liners. I'm gonna swatch the Sink and Suede from Sephora collection. So the Sephora collection is more cool than this one here. This is more warm. This is cooler. And I'm not sure if you can see, it's a little bit more shiny, so because it has that gel texture, but I don't mind it. I love to wear these ones with a lip gloss and then perfect for matte lips. So it's like, depends what you're doing. So this comes to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.